Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few DIY corner bookmark ideas. Hope you enjoy them. Let's get started. First of all, let's make a basic corner bookmark. For that, take a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally. Then fold the two corners to the middle like this. Open them up and then fold the top corner. Tuck the two sides in like this and that's it. To make a unicorn bookmark, first glue on the horns, ears and flowers. Draw on the eyes and that's it. To make a donut bookmark, trace a circle like this. Cut it out. After that, trace a smaller circle in the center and cut it out as well. Then draw on some frosting and color it in. After that, draw on some sprinkles and you're done. Now let's make a watermelon bookmark. For that, trace a half circle in the bottom part and cut it out. After that, color it in. Then just paint the face like this. Fill in the seeds and add some highlights in the eyes. And that's it. Our watermelon bookmark is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and comment which bookmark was your favorite. Bye!